Hello viewers and welcome back to a brand new video. Zinedine Zidane, French football player. Zinedine Zidane, by name Zizou, born on 23rd March 1972. French football player who led his country to victories in the 1998 World Cup and the 2000 European Championship. He later found success as a manager. After playing for the junior team US St. Henry, Zidane joined Cannes in 1989 and quickly became the focal point of the team's offense. A rangy midfielder, he had exceptional upper body strength and footwork skills that were complemented by his superior field vision. In 1992, he was transferred to Bordeaux, where he scored a career-high 10 goals in his first season with the team. 2 years later, Zidane was named Best Young Footballer in France and made his debut in international competition with 2 goals in 17 minutes against the Czech Republic. In 1995, Zidane helped secure a place in the Union of European Football Association Cup final for his Bordeaux club. The following summer, however, he was transferred to the Juventus club in Italy, where he soon became as much of a favorite as he had been in France. In 1997, Zidane appeared on Juventus' winning team at the World Cup Championship and UEFA Super Cup, as well as on its Italian league winning squad. Juventus also reached the Champions League final in 1997 and 1998. Zidane joined Real Madrid in 2001, and the following year the team won the Champions League title and the European Super Cup. The Federation International de Football Association named Zidane World Player of the Year 3 times, 1998, 2000 and 2003. Zidane was also a success in international competition. He had an eventful 1998 World Cup, which was held in France for the first time. Zidane stomped on an opponent in the second game of the first round and was suspended for 2 contests. There was speculation that he would be kicked off the team, but he returned in the quarter-final round. Zidane scored 2 goals in the final against Brazil, and France took the World Cup with 3-0 victory. In 2000, Zidane was named player of the tournament after leading France to the European Championship. Although it had failed to score a goal in its World Cup title defense in 2002, France entered the 2006 World Cup as one of the favorites. Zidane's outstanding performance in the tournament propelled the team into the final against Italy. Toward the end of second half penalty time, with the score tied at 1, Zidane having scored France's lone goal, he headbutted an Italian player who had been taunting him, which led to a red card and ejection for Zidane. Without their captain, France lost to Italy a penalty kick. Despite his ignoble exit in the final, Zidane was awarded the Golden Ball as the tournament's best player. He retired from professional football after the 2006 World Cup. In 2013, Zidane became an assistant manager to Real Madrid, and the following year he took over managerial duties at Real Madrid Castilla, the top division's club reserve team. In January 2016, he was promoted to manager for Real when the club made a mid-season coaching change. Zidane led Real to the La Liga title in the 2016-17 season. In addition, he guided the club to victory in the 2015-16 Champions League tournament, an accomplishment the team repeated in 2016 and 17, and 2017 and 18. He shockingly resigned from his managerial position just days after the 2018 Champions League final, citing his beliefs that the club needed a cultural change. His time away from the sidelines was brief, however, as he returned to manage Real in March 2019, soon after the club had been eliminated from the Champions League tournament. The following year, Real won another La Liga title. If you want to get more news from our channel, like, comment, subscribe, as well as push the bell icon to get the notification of our new videos.